and saving the best for last because speech sounds are not limited to mouth sounds.
Oink, oink.
That's funny. Chicka chicka sound. What made the chicka chicka sound?
From this.
This? What do you think that is?
After rain.
Oh.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Content.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
Chicka 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 choo choo.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo.
What sound is that?
Home.
You're going home?
Yes.
Yeah, I was making the train sound.
Chugga, 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 choo, choo. What's that?
What sound? What do you think that is?
A police car.
Yes, it is a police car. And you found this sound funny, right? What sound was that? Yes, it was that. What sound was that?
Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. You're right.
Home. Home.
We're going home.
Home.
We're going home.
Home.
Yeah, you're
going
going home.
I tell you, did you hear me? We're going home.
What's
Home time.
What?
It was
How do you make the fire engine noise? How do you do the fire engine noise? What does a fire engine say?
beep, beep.
It does go beep beep. And a fire engine goes? And you do?
Is it it? Is this it?
It can't go Nino.
It does go nee noo nee noo. This one is a little bit different, isn't it?